Videos captures on your phone are usually the biggest storage consumer for most people. And there's a couple of easy settings you can check to make sure your camera settings are optimized for smaller file sizes when filming. Let's open up the camera first, and then make sure we're in the video mode. You can tap these four tiles, or sometimes you'll see three dots or something similar, and we can then access our camera settings. The settings you see will depend on your phone model and what type of camera you have, but there's usually two main categories: the size and the FPS, which is your frame rate. Lower size and lower FPS will give you smaller file sizes. My entry-level Galaxy A16 doesn't have a ton of options here, but I can choose between full HD video and a basic HD, which usually refers to 720p resolution, sort of a half HD format. Better phones will have options for 4K video, or sometimes maybe 2.7K or something like that, and the frame rates could also show higher options like 60 frames per second. 30 or 24 is the standard for normal video, 60 is smoother, and anything above that is mostly used for slow-motion videos. Another important setting is buried a little deeper in the camera settings. I'll tap the tiles again and then look for the little gear icon. From there, I can go to Advanced Video Options, and there we'll have a toggle for high-efficiency videos. This toggle changes the format your phone will capture videos in. It'll use a modern HEVC video codec, which is a pretty widely adopted standard these days, but there are some playback devices that might struggle to play back this format. It gives you the same image quality in about half the file size, so it's a great option if you film a lot of videos on your phone. With the toggle off, your phone will usually use the older H.264 codec, which is also great, but requires higher bit rates and therefore bigger file sizes to maintain good image quality. And of course, one thing to consider is to change the storage location to an external device like an SD card if your phone supports those. That allows you to expand your existing storage and set your camera to record videos directly to the SD card. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.